Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today I'm going to introduce you to AHA Whiteboards, the only purpose-built whiteboarding tool for product teams that provides a visual space for all of your early-stage conceptual thinking. From brainstorming new ideas to defining customer experiences and collaborating on early-stage plans, this is the whiteboard solution your team has been waiting for. Let's take a look. Start with a blank canvas or get going fast with guided templates built by AHA experts. The template library provides a playbook for every aspect of product development. Browse by category, find the one you want, and get straight to work. Refer to best practices and pre-filled examples for inspiration. Now let's take a deeper look at what you can do with whiteboards. World-class drawing capabilities like shapes, sticky notes, and connectors make it easy to communicate complex concepts and collaborate with others in real time. Imagine, for example, that you're brainstorming about new functionality and need input from key stakeholders. Here we're using the pros and cons template to assess the options. When you are ready for feedback, share your whiteboard with unlimited guests at no additional cost. The group can then weigh in by creating new sticky notes to share their thoughts, adding comments to ask questions and provide feedback, or use emojis to quickly react to suggestions. Once everyone is aligned, you can move forward with confidence. Better still, if you use AHA Whiteboards as an integrated part of AHA roadmaps, you can convert concepts into actual work items in a couple of clicks. You can also pull existing ideas in AHA roadmaps onto a whiteboard for feature planning. Here, we're using a 2x2 matrix to quickly align on priorities. This enables you to go seamlessly from ideation to implementation as you build lovable new product experiences. This is just the start of what is possible with AHA Whiteboards. Get going today with a free 30-day trial or schedule a live demo to see examples of how other teams are using this powerful functionality to drive innovation. Need help? Use the question mark in your account to get help from an expert. Our customer success team has deep product knowledge and responds incredibly fast. We want to help you jumpstart your creativity and turbocharge collaboration. So what are you waiting for?